Picture yourself a few years from now, struggling to climb a flight of stairs, feeling your legs wobble as you carry a bag of groceries, or hesitating to get up from a chair because it takes more effort than it used to. You might think this is just what happens when you get older, but let me tell you something critical. It's not just age, it's your muscles slipping away quietly day by day. This isn't about looking like a fitness model. It's about staying independent, preventing falls, and living life on your terms, whether that's playing with your grandkids, tending your garden, or traveling the world. The hidden problem. Most people over 60 aren't getting nearly enough protein to keep their muscles strong and resilient. You might be thinking, I eat eggs every morning. I'm fine. But here's the truth. Eggs only deliver about 12 grams of protein per 100 grams. That's decent, but it's nowhere close to what your body needs to fight the muscle loss that creeps in with age. There are foods out there packing 3, 4, even 5 times that protein, and most of us don't even know they exist or how powerful they can be. Today, I'm sharing the top 6 foods that deliver more protein than eggs. And don't miss the number 1 food I share at the end of the video, by the way. Ranked from number 6 to a nutritional powerhouse, scientists are studying to help all older adults rebuild muscle and stay strong. Every fact I'm about to share is backed by peer-reviewed research, and I'm going to make this so clear, practical, and exciting that you'll walk away ready to make changes today. Let's get started with a food you've probably seen 100 times, but never realized could transform your muscle health and change the way you move through life. Starting at number 6 is plain, non-fat Greek yogurt, a creamy, versatile food that delivers about 10 grams of protein per 100 grams, almost double what eggs provide in the same amount. What makes Greek yogurt so special? It's strained 3 times, removing liquid whey and lactose, which concentrates the protein and makes it incredibly easy to digest, even for those who find dairy tricky. This is a big deal as we age, when digestion can slow down and make it harder to get the nutrients we need. A 2020 study in the journal Nutrients found that older adults who ate at least 20 grams of dairy-based protein daily, combined with light exercise like walking or gentle stretching, preserved 25% more muscle mass over 12 weeks compared to those who didn't. That's not just a number, it's a measurable defense against the muscle loss that can steal your mobility and independence. Greek yogurt isn't just about protein, it's packed with calcium to keep your bones strong and probiotics to support your gut, which helps your body absorb nutrients more effectively. Imagine starting your day with a smoothie blended with Greek yogurt, fresh berries, a handful of spinach, and a sprinkle of chia seeds. It's a nutrient-packed breakfast that keeps you full, energized, and ready to tackle your morning. You can also whip it into a savory dip with fresh dill, garlic, and a squeeze of lemon juice, perfect for pairing with crunchy vegetables like carrots, cucumbers, or bell peppers. Or try using it as a base for salad dressings, swapping out mayo for a creamy, protein-rich alternative that doesn't weigh you down. Just make sure to choose plain, non-fat Greek yogurt to avoid added sugars that can spike your blood sugar and fuel inflammation, which can undo the benefits. This is an easy, delicious way to fuel your muscles, support your bones, and keep you moving with confidence, whether you're walking the dog or climbing stairs. Moving to number 5, let's talk about cooked chickpeas, a humble pantry staple that delivers about 9 grams of protein per 100 grams, slightly outperforming eggs. But protein is just the beginning of what makes chickpeas so valuable for your health. They're loaded with fiber, something eggs completely lack, which keeps your digestion running smoothly, helps stabilize blood sugar, and fights chronic inflammation that can quietly erode your muscle tissue over time. A 2019 study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that older adults who swapped some animal proteins for plant-based options like The fiber and nutrients in chickpeas reduce inflammation and feed healthy gut bacteria, which play a critical role in helping your body absorb protein more effectively, ensuring your muscles get the fuel they need to stay strong. Chickpeas are also rich in magnesium, a mineral that powers muscle contractions, reduces cramps, and speeds recovery after physical activity, whether that's a brisk walk, a yoga class, or carrying groceries. To get the most out of chickpeas, soak them overnight before cooking to make them easier to digest and unlock more nutrients, which is especially important as our digestive systems slow with age. Blend them into creamy hummus with olive oil, lemon juice, a pinch of cumin, and a clove of garlic for a protein-rich spread that's perfect on whole grain crackers, as a sandwich filling, or as a dip for raw veggies. Roast them with spices like smoked paprika, rosemary, or chili powder for a crunchy, satisfying snack you can munch on during a movie or take on the go, or toss them into hearty soups, stews, or salads with greens, tomatoes, and a drizzle of olive oil for a filling meal that keeps you energized. Chickpeas are affordable, versatile, and easy to prepare, making them a simple yet powerful way to support your muscles, boost your energy, and keep your body strong for the activities you love. At number 4, we have quinoa, a tiny seed that's a nutritional giant, delivering 14 grams of protein per 100 grams, more than eggs, and with a unique advantage. Unlike most plant foods, quinoa is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids your body needs to repair and build muscle. This is critical as we age, when our muscles become less responsive to protein and need high-quality sources to stay strong. Quinoa is particularly high in lysine, an amino acid that supports muscle repair, strengthens bones, and aids collagen production for healthy joints and skin, key for staying active and mobile. A 2021 study in Nutrients found that older adults who added quinoa to their diets gained 10% more leg strength in just 8 weeks. To maximize quinoa's benefits, soak it overnight to reduce natural compounds like saponins that can hinder nutrient absorption, making it easier for your body to use every gram of protein. Cook it in low-sodium vegetable or bone broth for added flavor and minerals like calcium and magnesium, and consider adding a pinch of turmeric and black pepper for an anti-inflammatory boost that supports muscle recovery and reduces joint stiffness. Quinoa is incredibly versatile. Use it as a base for veggie bowls with roasted vegetables like zucchini and sweet potatoes, topped with avocado and a tahini drizzle for a balanced, protein-packed meal. Mix it into salads with cucumber, cherry tomatoes, feta, and a lemon vinaigrette for a refreshing lunch, or stir it into a warm breakfast porridge with almonds, cinnamon, sliced apples, and a drizzle of honey for a comforting start to your day. Just 3/4 of a cup a day can make a noticeable difference in muscle recovery, energy, and overall vitality, helping you tackle daily tasks like gardening, walking, or playing with your grandkids with more ease and confidence. Number 3 brings us to pumpkin seeds, a crunchy, nutrient-dense food delivering 19 grams of protein per 100 grams, nearly double what eggs offer. But their power goes far beyond protein. They're packed with magnesium, iron, and zinc, minerals that many older adults lack after 60 when nutrient absorption can decline. Magnesium prevents muscle cramps and supports smooth contractions, making it easier to stay active without discomfort, whether you're taking a morning walk or doing light stretches. Iron delivers oxygen to your muscles, boosting performance and speeding recovery after physical activity, from dancing to lifting light weights. Zinc aids in tissue repair and keeps your immune system strong, which is crucial for overall health as you age. A 2020 study in the Journal of Medicinal Food found that older adults eating pumpkin seeds daily reduced muscle inflammation by 35% in 12 weeks, slowing the breakdown of muscle tissue that accelerates with age and threatens mobility. Stick to raw, unsalted pumpkin seeds to avoid excess sodium that can raise blood pressure or cancel out the benefits. Sprinkle a handful on salads with mixed greens, tomatoes, and a balsamic vinaigrette for a nutty crunch that adds flavor and nutrition. Blend them into smoothies with banana, spinach, and almond milk for a creamy, protein-packed drink, or grind them into a creamy seed butter for spreading on whole grain toast, dipping apples and celery, or stirring into oatmeal for a nutrient boost. A small amount daily, about 2 tablespoons, can significantly boost your muscle health, reduce fatigue, and keep you energized for the activities you love, from hiking with friends to playing golf or chasing after your grandkids. At number 2, we're diving into tempeh, a fermented soy product that delivers 20 grams of protein per 100 grams, surpassing eggs and offering unique benefits for older adults. Unlike tofu, tempeh is made from whole soybeans that are fermented, which makes it easier to digest and unlocks nutrients that protect muscle tissue from age-related breakdown. This is a big deal, as digestion slows with age, making it harder to extract nutrients from food. Tempeh is a complete protein rich in leucine, an amino acid that triggers muscle growth, crucial as our bodies become less responsive to protein after 60. A 2021 study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that seniors with healthier gut microbiomes boosted by fermented foods like tempeh retained 18% more muscle mass over a year compared to those with poor gut health, even if their diets were similar. The probiotics in tempeh enhance digestion and improve how your body absorbs protein, giving your muscles more fuel to rebuild and stay strong. Slice tempeh thinly in pan, sear it with a splash of tamari, minced garlic, and a touch of balsamic vinegar for a savory, meaty texture that's perfect for plant-based meals. Crumble it into stir-fries with broccoli, bell peppers, ginger, and a splash of low-sodium soy sauce for a flavorful, protein-packed dinner. Layer it in sandwiches with avocado, sprouts, tomato, and whole grain bread for a satisfying lunch, or toss it into salads with arugula walnuts and a lemon tahini dressing for a hearty protein boost. Its firm, nutty flavor makes it a versatile substitute for meat, keeping you full and supporting your strength for daily activities like walking, gardening, or light housework. Tempeh is easy to find in most grocery stores and can be a game changer for keeping your muscles resilient and your energy high. Finally, at number 1, we have spirulina, a blue-green algae that's a nutritional superstar, delivering an astonishing 57 grams of protein per 100 grams, over 4 times what eggs provide. Up to 85% of this protein is bioavailable, meaning your body can use it efficiently to build and repair muscle, which is critical for maintaining strength, preventing falls, and staying independent. Spirulina is a complete protein packed with leucine to signal muscle growth and recovery, making it a powerful tool for older adults looking to stay active. A 2022 study in Nutrients showed that spirulina reduced inflammation markers by 30% in older adults, protecting muscles from chronic inflammation that speeds up loss and weakens the body over time. It also boosts nitric oxide production, improving blood flow to deliver nutrients to muscles faster, which enhances recovery and supports strength for activities like climbing stairs, carrying groceries, or playing with your grandkids. Add a teaspoon to a morning smoothie with banana, spinach, kale, almond butter, and a splash of almond milk for a vibrant, nutrient-packed start to your day that keeps you energized and focused. You can also stir it into oatmeal with a sprinkle of walnuts, chia seeds, and berries for a warm, protein-rich breakfast. Mix it into soups with lentils and vegetables for a subtle nutrient boost, or blend it into homemade energy balls with dates, oats, pumpkin seeds, and a touch of honey for a portable, protein-packed snack. Just 1 to 2 teaspoons a day can lead to noticeable improvements in strength, energy, and resilience within weeks, helping you feel stronger and more capable in your daily life. Spirulina's unique nutrient profile makes it a must-have for anyone's diet. These 6 foods, Greek yogurt, chickpeas, quinoa, pumpkin seeds, tempeh, and spirulina, are more than just protein sources. They fight inflammation, support digestion, boost energy, and help you stay strong, mobile, and independent as you age. Muscle loss isn't an inevitable part of getting older. It's a problem you can tackle with the right foods on your plate. Start small. Try adding quinoa to a salad, sprinkling pumpkin seeds on your yogurt, or blending spirulina into a smoothie this week. Each small choice can lead to big changes in how you feel and move, from walking with more confidence to lifting heavier loads with ease. Which one will you try first? Drop a comment below and share your plan. You might inspire someone else to take a step toward better health. If this was helpful, give it a like, subscribe, and hit the bell to stay in the loop for more practical, science-backed tips. Staying strong after 60 isn't about luck. It's about the choices you make every day at the table. Make them count and take control of your strength, vitality, and independence today.